This is kind of why you don't need a lot of insecticides in your garden around here. These little birds love cruising around my garden and picking out bugs. They're here all the time.
This will be the end of the video today. I managed to put my shade cloth up and it's looking pretty good. A wind is blowing, gusting somewhere around 40-50 miles an hour every now and then, and this is just unbelievable weather. We never have it like this. This is scary fire weather. I don't like it. So yeah, it's drying up really fast because this is very, very dry air, and my shade cloth is doing fine. My vegetables will do fine underneath the shade cloth now that that's up. I can't burn any more wood. I don't dare with that. And planted more radishes. I did a good hike today, although I'm pooping out early. I think it's because I'm not eating right, so I'm going to change my diet up a little bit. And I think that'll be the end of the video today. Hopefully this wind will stop. I did manage, if I haven't already put this in the video, I don't think I have, but I've managed to clean up this area back here, and that gave me a little bit of a back strain. Then my home started to act like it was haunted. All of my electricity started going on and off. All the lights were starting to flicker. And I said, what's going on? So I did quite a bit of investigation, including replacing a regulator. And it ended up being a very old little bridge fuse that was not making good contact. And it would warm up and work, and it will cool down and not work. And that was a little booger to try to find. So that'll be the end of the video today. Wind is blowing good and the sky has gotten smoky. This is coming from the Camp Pendleton fire range, and you can hardly see out that way. There's no black smoke, but it is definitely coming my way, and it's not too healthy to be breathing this right now. So that'll be the real end of the video today, and I'll keep an eye on that. That's not a good thing. Okay, this is the end of the video here. I just thought I'd throw a little time lapse of me burning up this wood pile. These are old pallets, and I've been working on it for several days, and I have to stop because the wind keeps coming up. I should have this all burnt up by the middle of next week, maybe, weather permitting. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video.